Can't hear me. Great. Thank you. I always forget something on my YouTube. I'm sorry. I didn't have my mic on YouTube. I always forget something. Sorry about that, YouTube. I was just talking about my school assembly webcast. This is what the drawings that we did today. We did for the YouTube folks. I had a wonderful today, a wonderful half-hour question and answer live Zoom with teachers and school principals about my live webcast programs. If you would like to, if you're a teacher out there, just send me an email. We'll send you a Zoom link, and every day I do one. Do one of those every day. An assembly question and answer preview. All right. So tonight we're going to draw this melting cube, but these are I'm just showing you what we did earlier today in my art academy. This is what we did tonight. Every night at 5 from 6:30 to 7:30 Central Time, we do a drawings, an hour of family art time together, 6:30 to 7:30. So tonight they wanted to draw raspberries. They wanted to draw expressions, and I wanted to draw a banana split. And then they really liked the idea of melting ice. So we did melting ice. So that was the three drawings we did today. And so what we're going to do right now is we're going to draw a melting ice together. Okay. One drawing every night, right? Now, here's what I did. I took a picture to show you. I went online and I got some pictures of these melting. Look at these great ice cubes. This is right. I just did a search on Instagram. I did the melting ice image. Isn't that cool? And then look at this pile of ice here. Isn't that cool? Look at all these ice. You just type in anything in the world, anything you can think of on your phone, and you get some references, and you can draw it. Isn't that awesome? So I'm going to draw just one quick drawing. The idea for these noon and 8 p.m. 15-minute sessions, just to get you to draw a little bit every day. One drawing every day. Okay, one drawing every day. Give yourself the license to flop. Don't stress about it. Stress is on the bus. Beep, beep, beep. The whole idea, at least draw one drawing a day. Now, hopefully I'll get you here. One drawing a day. That's our goal. One drawing a day. And hopefully I'll get you. Hopefully I will get you so inspired and motivated that you want to draw with my Art Academy. Let's put that up here. With my Draw 3D or my Art Academy. Look at there's my little my commercials. Isn't that blatant? All right. Thank you, Melody, for giving me a 5x5. I know can you believe I didn't have the audio on the YouTube? So again, and so Melody, if I'm going on YouTube and you don't hear audio, let me know, okay, buddy? That'd be great. I forget. That was all me. I just forgot to put my headset on. Middle lines longer. Middle lines longer as we go to episode 7 of our You Can Draw in 30 Days live. How's that? You can tell I had my 2 cups of half calf today. We're gonna draw just a little light. Draw a really light block. Okay, I'll zoom that in so that Instagram people can see it. Hello, Misty. Hello on Instagram, Ryan Stone. Hello, Miss Walker. Look at all these. Hello, Melody on Instagram. Hello, Tommy on Instagram. Hello, Doug and Mary on Facebook and on YouTube. We got John Kim and Fatima and Lily. Good to see you guys. All right, so I'm gonna draw like this little. It's gonna be melting. So let's round off the edges. Look, it's melting. See, round off the edges. And then I'm going to erase. There's really no hard edge here. There might be a little bit of an edge, but I'm going to erase that. See, it's really a soft edge. Okay, you with me? I'll zoom that in here. Zoom that in. Boy, that camera's nice. Oh, I love that YouTube camera. I have a new camera coming for you guys on Facebook and Instagram. I think you'll like it. Let's move that in. All right, now focus it again. Excuse me. All right, so now I'm going to make this melting. I'm going to draw just really lightly the beginning with some big. This is called droop. It's a wonderful word. I'm just going to draw this little melting, just a little bit. A variety, some big, some smaller, and then a long one over here on the edge. the key here is variety. You don't want to make both sides the same. You want to make some big and some small. And this one's just kind of looping here. And I think what I'll do is I'll just have it go up to about like there. So let's erase the edges. So I'm cleaning up, clean up, clean up. Someone type in the word clean up. Someone type in clean up, clean up, clean up. Someone type in the word. Someone type in I love to draw. Someone type that in. Let's see if you guys are totally enthusiastic with your pencil power. Someone type in the word here on Instagram. Let me see on Instagram. Someone type in the word Yahoo. This is what happens when you drink a cup of half calf after 4 months of no caffeine or sugar. Whoa. 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 Yay, half calf. All right, let's continue on. I'm going to put a dot here. I'm going to use foreshortening. Look, I'm creeping in my ad. I hope you guys sign up for my Fine Arts Art Academy. I hope you sign up for my Draw 3D. Okay, well, I'll be drawing and I'll have my little ad kind of drift through. It's so blatant. Hey, this is built-in promotion, right? All right, now back here, draw this. I'm going to draw the foreshortened circle melting. I'm going to put a whole bunch of foreshortened circles here. I want to make this really melting out here. So just put a whole bunch of these foreshortened circles. Just foreshortening, and I'm sorry about the angle because I have to. The cameras aren't the same, so I'll try to get this. I'm gonna try to get the cameras to go the horizontal the same and match. There, this is horizontal now on your screen. It should be. All right, so now I'm going to define. I'm going to darken in a little bit of the roundness of the melt, and then kind of darken it just a little bit. I'm going to put that melting little edge there, and then darken in a little bit of the detail. And then on this side, I'm going to have the light coming from the left side. So take your pencil and shade. Now this is a very stylized ice cube. You can make much more ones that are much more realistic. And I think on this one, I'm going to put like a reflection here and here. And I'm going to take my Stompy and I'll make that reflection stand out even more. I'm going to blend this with my Stompy. Put a little bit here. And then I'll take my reflection and do it one more time. Do a little reflection on the ice. And that's kind of cool. Excuse me. Of course, I go live. I have an allergy fit here. All right, so there's our ice cube. Now I want to make it really melting. So I'm going to draw this wonderful... the foreshortened shape, you guys, is a squish circle. Remember, drawing in 3D equals the illusion of near and far, all right? The illusion of near and far. You can write this down. You be my little college students. And so basically that's perspective, right? Alignment, near and far, things that are the illusion of closeness. And the key to this is learning how to distort and squish. Okay? That is key. If you learn how to squish and distort, you can draw in 3D. So let's squish this foreshortened. See, I'm going to put some big, and then look at this. I'll put like one coming out way out here. See, I'm just going to draw this kind of loopy, and then I'm going to have another one right here, kind of a little puddle, and maybe just a little puddle right here. Just maybe just a couple right here. This ice is really making a mess. It's just maybe I'll put another little one over here. See that? The important thing is to make it squish. You don't want to make it too wide or it looks like a bird's eye view. So I'll go ahead now right away. I'll make a dark shadow here. This will make it really bubble up a little bit. Just a little bit of a shadow along the ground. What do you guys think? 1 through 5. Hey, Robert Newstead on Instagram. Robert Newstead. Woo! Robert Newstead, our executive producer and co-creator of the Imagination Station, where we won. Every time he comes on, I got to do this. It gives me an excuse to show off. We won our Emmy. Oh yeah, I just happen to have the Emmy back here behind me. It just happened. What a coincidence! What a coincidence! I just happen to have the Emmy right there within reach. You know how modest of me. This show right here is on Amazon Prime. Check it out. Now, if you like these lessons, you guys, there's hundreds on my Draw 3D membership. You got to check this out. There's also there's 2 free ebooks on here. Go to the printables. You can print up this chart, which is the drawing directions, free, okay, on Draw 3D. You can print up the 12 Renaissance words, and you can print up there's 2 ebooks. There's a beginner drawing journal. It's 180 pages, so you don't want to print it. Basically, download and keep it on your smartphone or your tablet or your laptop. It's a neat guide for you to use as an idea flow. There's a journal for beginning and intermediate with 180 ideas for you, and you can draw. It's awesome. So you have Amazon Prime Imagination Station. You got Draw 3D. Now, if you like if you like drawing with me live, which I hope you do, you can join my Fine Arts Academy. It's Monday through Friday, 36 weeks. We're in week 1. Every week stands alone as a learning chapter in itself. So if you missed this week, no problem. And if you want to check that out, I do Mondays. Mondays will be free for the month of August. So if you want to come Monday, send me an email, and I'll be happy to send you a link to the Zoom. It's all Zoom based. It's awesome. It's really awesome, wonderful fun. So Mondays are free, and I'm going to put reflections, vertical lines. So look at it. I'm going to put a couple vertical lines. Look at this. I'll just put a few little vertical lines, and then I'll do this one down here. Put a couple more vertical lines here. Now I want to do something here. I can't follow this because maybe I'll put one vertical line matching that one over there. Look, isn't that cool? Now here's an idea. Why don't I do this? Here, let me try take this vertical line coming through here. This goes here, and then it comes down through here. You see that? That kind of follows it through. And this one. Now I'm kind of hesitant to. This will make it look like a hole. Let me explain to you. What if I? Here, let me just draw another foreshortened shape. I'll show you. This is what I'm worried about doing. If I draw the vertical line right here, look at, or right here. Look at that. It looks like a cave. You see what I did? Look at the little hole in the ground. See that? So if I put the vertical lines away from the edges, it's a reflection. If I put the vertical lines too close to a foreshortened area, it becomes a hole. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, you guys? So that's the hole reflection. They're all based on where you put those vertical lines. All right, guys. Well, there's a really fun, very, very quick 15-minute little drawing. One drawing a day. One drawing a day, guys. Here's a big, giant, creative ninja squirrel hug. Type in the word Yahoo if you had fun. I'm watching you guys develop your genius creativity. One drawing a day. That's our goal. One drawing every day. Give yourself the license to flop. Give yourself that creative permission to go out of your comfort zone and try something new. You got to fail to succeed. Remember, no stress. Drawing is fun and relaxing. No stress. Stress is on the bus, okay? All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Check out my Art Academy. Check out my drawing in 3D. And, of course, I want you to run out and buy a bunch of copies of my You Can Draw in 30 Days book. Let me give you some good. Let me pull this out. Oh, yeah, there's all my promotion. All right, guys. Well, hey, thanks so much for drawing with me tonight. That was a fun, quick. I actually kept it to under 20 minutes. What an amazing feat. I'm going to say goodbye to Instagram. Bye-bye, Instagram. And I say goodbye to Instagram. I'm going to say goodbye to Facebook. Bye, Facebook. And I'm going to say goodbye to YouTube. Bye, YouTube.